Now we will do Sarvamgasana, which is called asana of all diseases. To do this, we will first lie on our back with both legs straight in front. Raise both legs together at 90 degree. Then lift the waist a little and lift the body to the shoulder straight. And then stop for a while and breathe continuously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly come back and take care of your spinal cord during placing on the floor. We will raise the legs at 90 degree and release the heels to back in the way that does not bend the knee. Now feel relaxed completely in meditation. Shavasana.